Join me as I dive deep into the world of Soxs stock and see if I can predict whether it's going to explode in 2025. Soxs stock, for those who might not be familiar, is a popular financial instrument that allows investors to bet against the performance of the semiconductor industry. It's essentially an inverse ETF, meaning it aims to deliver returns that are negatively correlated with the sector. 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for Soxs and similar investments, given the rapid advancements in technology and shifts in market demand. The semiconductor industry is going through a significant transformation, driven by innovations in AI, 5G, and the Internet of Things. These changes could potentially boost the value of semiconductor stocks, which in turn would negatively impact Soxs. However, market volatility, trade tensions, and economic downturns could also play in favor of Soxs, making it a complex and intriguing investment opportunity. One of the main challenges Soxs faces is market volatility. The stock market can be unpredictable, and sudden shifts in investor sentiment or economic indicators can significantly impact Soxs' performance. Moreover, the semiconductor industry is highly competitive, with major players constantly innovating and undercutting each other. This competition could lead to market fluctuations that affect Soxs. Industry trends also play a crucial role. The increasing demand for chips and emerging technologies could drive up the stock prices of semiconductor companies, negatively impacting Soxs. On the other hand, any disruptions in the supply chain or regulatory changes could hinder the industry's growth, potentially benefiting Soxs. Technological advancements are another factor to consider. Breakthroughs in semiconductor technology could lead to new applications and increased demand, affecting Soxs' value. Additionally, global economic conditions, including inflation rates and interest rates, can influence investor behavior and ultimately impact Soxs' performance. Several factors could contribute to a potential explosion in Soxs stock value. Market analysis suggests that if the semiconductor industry experiences a downturn or if there's a significant shift in investor sentiment towards safe haven assets, Soxs could see substantial gains. Expert opinions also vary, with some analysts predicting a possible increase in demand for inverse ETFs like Soxs due to growing market uncertainty. A closer look at market trends and expert analysis reveals some compelling insights. Some experts believe that the current market conditions, including high valuations in the tech sector and rising interest rates, could lead to a market correction that benefits Soxs. Furthermore, the ongoing trade tensions and their impact on the semiconductor industry could also play in favor of Soxs. The performance of Soxs in 2025 will largely depend on how these factors interplay. A detailed analysis of market indicators, industry trends, and economic forecasts provides a clearer picture. For instance, if the global economy experiences a slowdown, investors might turn to inverse ETFs like Soxs, driving up its value. Another critical aspect to consider is the historical performance of Soxs and similar financial instruments during periods of market volatility. Past trends can offer valuable insights into how Soxs might behave in a turbulent market, helping investors make more informed decisions. In conclusion, the outlook for Soxs stock in 2025 hinges on a complex array of factors, including market volatility, industry trends, and technological advancements. While there are compelling arguments for both a potential surge and a downturn, it's essential for investors to stay informed and consider multiple perspectives. What do you think about Soxs stock's prospects in 2025? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more stock predictions and market analysis, check out our video on the top tech stocks to watch in 2025 for more insights.